Part 1: Planets Unlike Earth. For thousands of years, humanity has looked up at the night sky with a single and changing question: are we alone in this universe? And in the journey to find the answer, we once assumed that life, if it existed, must resemble Earth, with air, liquid water, solid land, and sunlight. But the farther we look, the deeper we peer into distant stars, the more we realize one thing: perhaps we've been looking in the wrong place. Not every planet needs a blue sky or continents. Not every world with water can be touched by light. And not every form of life needs oxygen to survive. It may be that the strangest planets are the ones where alien life is hiding. Not under the warmth of sunlight, but beneath crushing pressures, in complete darkness. A new beginning, no longer searching for Earth clones. For decades, astronomers poured their efforts into finding planets like Earth, same mass, same temperature, same perfect distance from their star so water could stay liquid. This habitable zone concept laid the foundation for our extraterrestrial hunt. But that definition is evolving, perhaps even crumbling. Now we ask, what if not all life needs sunlight? What if atmospheres are optional, and heat from a star is irrelevant? The question has changed. We're no longer just searching for Earth clones, we're searching for other Earths, places that could redefine life itself. TOI-733b is a world drowned in water. TOI-733b is a planet around 245 light-years from Earth, orbiting a G-type star similar to the Sun. But its uniqueness doesn't lie in its distance or size. It's slightly larger than Earth and classified as a super-Earth. What shocks scientists is this: its surface appears to lack any land. Data from telescopes show TOI-733b reflects almost no light. Atmospheric modeling and rotation speed suggest this planet might be entirely covered in ocean. No shores. No mountains. No continents. Just an endless sea beneath an alien sky. 1 year on TOI-733b lasts less than 5 Earth days. The sun rises and sets in a blur. If life exists there, it wouldn't resemble anything we've seen. Could life exist on a planet with no land? The answer lies in our own oceans. Deep beneath Earth's seafloor, near hydrothermal vents, places where sunlight has never touched, life thrives. Microorganisms feed on chemicals, not light. Whole ecosystems exist, independent from the surface world. TOI-733b, with its ocean potentially hundreds of kilometers deep, could be hiding a similar biological realm. One without eyes, without color, but with life forms capable of surviving unimaginable pressure and endless dark. If so, this isn't just a water world. It may be an interstellar Atlantis not a sunken city, but an entire planet submerged. GJ 1-1 for B, where water is no longer water. Just 48 light-years away lies another bizarre world, GJ 1-1 for B. Since its discovery in 2009, it has puzzled scientists. It's 2.7 times the size of Earth and 8 times more massive. It may be covered by a deep ocean, but the real mystery is its sea temperatures reach over 230 C. On Earth, that would boil water. But on GJ 1-1 for B, the pressure is so high that water enters a new phase, supercritical water, a strange hybrid state between gas and liquid. There are no blue skies here. Instead, a permanent thick fog shrouds the planet, preventing light from penetrating. No one has ever seen GJ 1-1 for B's true surface. It appears like a dim, pearl-colored sphere reflecting only secrets. Beneath that mist, unique biochemistry might be at work. Life here, if it exists, could thrive in superheated steam, powered by chemical reactions, and structured unlike anything humanity has ever seen. Seeking not escape, but understanding. When we gaze at TOI-733b, GJ 1-1 for B, or the many candidates like Kepler 1649c or Kepler 438b, what we seek isn't merely a place to go. It's the hope that life isn't a cosmic fluke. It's the desire to know that existence is not unique, but perhaps inevitable even in forms we don't yet understand. These planets reflect something deeply human, the yearning not to be alone. The belief that out there, among the stars, lies not just mystery but meaning. End of part 1. A new definition of life begins. We began by searching for a second Earth. But now we know the most habitable worlds may not look like Earth at all. They may lack land. They may never see sunlight. They may contain water that defies our physics. We haven't set foot on any of these planets. We may never confirm anything soon. But the very possibility that life could arise in such different forms, that is what makes this cosmic search so magnificent. Part 2. When strange worlds feel like home. After TOI-733b and GJ 1-1 to worlds that challenged our understanding of water and life, the search for a second Earth continues. Among thousands of faint signals from the cosmos, some planets are considered perfect candidates. Not because they mimic Earth in every detail, but because they are close enough, mysterious enough, and hopeful enough to make us pause and listen. Kepler 1649c, the Forgotten Earth in the data. In 2020, what seemed like a minor discovery shocked the astronomy community. Kepler 1649c. This planet had been overlooked in databases for years due to a software glitch in the Kepler telescope's analysis system. Roughly 300 light-years from Earth, Kepler 1649c orbits a small red dwarf star that shines much dimmer than our Sun. Yet miraculously, this planet is nearly identical to Earth in size and the amount of energy it receives from its star. It gets about 75% of the sunlight. Earth does enough to maintain surface temperatures favorable to liquid water if it has a suitable atmosphere. What made this discovery truly special wasn't just the numbers, it was how it was found. Not by machines or AI, but by people, a group of scientists who patiently reviewed old data and discovered that this planet had been misclassified. Kepler 1649c is more than just a planet. It's a reminder that even among the noise and mountains of data, there may still be worlds full of potential waiting to be named. Kepler 1638b, where time flows like Earth. Some 5,000 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, Kepler 1638b is another strange and distant world, so far that observing it seems impossible, yet distinct enough to warrant attention. Its most remarkable feature is its orbital period, 260 days, almost the same as a year on Earth. If it has a thick and stable atmosphere, the planet could experience seasons, day-night cycles, and temperature shifts similar to our own. With a radius twice that of Earth and located in its star's habitable zone, Kepler 1638b was once considered one of the best second Earth candidates. Climate simulation models suggest the planet may have a natural day-night cycle, an essential factor for complex life development. Its vast distance makes it difficult to determine whether it's tidally locked, one side always facing its star. But the orbit's stability and similarities in duration make this planet a worthy dream. Kepler 438b, paradise turned to hell. At 640 light-years from Earth, Kepler 438b was once dubbed the most Earth-like planet ever discovered, with a similarity index of 88%. orbiting a red dwarf and located comfortably within the habitable zone. This planet is nearly Earth-sized, with a year of just 35 Earth days. On paper, Kepler 438b looked like a perfect haven for alien life. But then reality clashed with the dream. Kepler 438b's host star, a small red dwarf, frequently unleashes violent solar flares, far stronger than those from our Sun. Kepler 438b may have been a paradise, but it might now be another Venus, where cosmic energy doesn't nurture, but destroys. More than life, the possibility of life. Looking at worlds like TOI-733b, GJ 121 for B, Kepler 1649c, 1638b, and 438b, one thing becomes clear: no planet is perfect. Too hot, too cold, too distant, or too vulnerable. But it's that imperfection that makes the search feel real. Humanity isn't just searching for Earth's twin. We are searching for the possibility of life, no matter how faint the signs. Be it a strange molecule in the air, or a flicker of unexplained light. Life, if it truly exists beyond Earth, may not look like us. It may not see or breathe. But it might still exist in forms our imagination has yet to dream. The cosmos, a mirror of our humanity. We haven't set foot on any of these planets. We might never confirm life there. But that doesn't stop us from dreaming. Each time we discover a strange planet, or detect promising light patterns from afar, we're given another reason to keep searching. Because behind that search lies more than the will to survive, it's the will to understand. To understand life, to test the limits of biology and physics. And most of all, to better understand Earth, the only home we've ever known. These distant planets, whether cold, lifeless, or shrouded in fog, reflect something deeply human: the desire not to be alone. The hope that somewhere, out among the stars, there's something or someone also looking up into the sky, asking the same question we are. End of part 2. A new chapter begins. We once believed life needed sunlight, land, oxygen, and just the right warmth. But now, all of those assumptions are being challenged. Maybe life exists in ocean trenches that never see light. Maybe it thrives in supercritical steam. Maybe it hides on a forgotten planet, a tidally locked world, or even inside a data glitch we almost ignored. The universe doesn't need to be teeming with life like ours. But if even ***1*** place out there harbors life, just one thing, our journey will have meant everything.